The National Weather Service in Tallahassee has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Dale County and southeastern Alabama until 2:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 1:38 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a tornado-producing storm was located 7 miles northeast of Ozark, moving north at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, damaging tornado. Source, radar confirmed tornado. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. This tornadic thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of northeastern Dale County. A tornado is on the ground. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 2:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following county: Dale, Alabama,